Assalamu alaikum. This is Amadur Rahman and class. In the last week, we started chapter number 7, the internet. And in the last lecture, we discussed the definition of internet, and I told you how we can access it and who are internet service providers and what are the basic uses of internet. I told you about blogging, instant messaging, social networking, online gaming, and internet telephony also. And in today's lecture, I will tell you about cloud computing. What is cloud computing and what are the advantages of cloud computing, why we use it, and why is the use of cloud computing increasing day by day. I will tell you about the basic concept of it. Like, what is cloud computing? यहाँ cloud का मतलब बादल नहीं है, and it is not like that there are computers in the cloud and it's raining or else. That इसका मतलब ये नहीं है, and it means actually the internet and the networking work of it. Cloud computing is actually like we do not have that much strong storage computer, but we want to access some heavy applications in our computer, so we can do it with the help of cloud computing. Like, it means cloud computing means we are using someone else's storage capacity to access our work, to access our application. Like it is actually a service by which we can access application or storage, and we use it on the daily purposes. Like, we use emailing, we attach files, we attach videos, we attach documents, and we send to someone else by just using Gmail or Yahoo Mail, all these sites. So this is the actual work of cloud computing. Like, we are using someone else's storage to attaching those files that we are sending, and like we use Google Drive to store data. बहुत सारे लोगों को यहाँ पता होगा कि जब हमारे मोबाइल या फिर हमारे डिवाइस कंप्यूटर का जो स्पेस है वो ख़त्म हो जाता है, तो हम अपना जो करंट डेटा होता है जो हमारे डिवाइस में होता है, हम उसे कहीं और स्टोर कर देते हैं, या आने वाला या रिकॉर्ड होने वाला न्यू डेटा जो है हम गूगल ड्राइव पे रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, गूगल ड्राइव पे सेव करते हैं, just to save the storage of our own device. So this is the use of cloud computing. Like, you also play online games. The games which you are playing on the internet is not that much lighter, that is working on your current device, current computer. वो बहुत सारे स्टोरेज के बहुत ज़्यादा कैपेसिटी स्टोरेज के कंप्यूटर्स पे प्ले होने वाले गेम्स होते हैं, बट यू प्ले like you play online games just by using the cloud computing of other data center of that gaming server. आप अपने लाइट कंप्यूटर पे भी उस हैवी गेम्स को खेल लेते हो just because of cloud computing. So I hope you all have understood some of I need to tell you the examples of cloud computing sites like Dropbox, Zools, Google Drive, Gmail, etc. are the examples of the cloud computing sites that offer you the storage, the option of retrieve data also. I hope you all have understood cloud computing. You can search on the Google the more examples of cloud computing also. And these are the exercises which you have to complete in your book. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.